Want to keep certain apps private on your iPhone? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to hide apps on your iPhone in just a few simple steps and how to find them again whenever you need them. Whether you want to protect your privacy, organize your home screen, or discover a useful iPhone feature, this step-by-step guide will help you do it quickly and easily. So stay with me until the end, and let's get started. First of all, on your iPhone, find the app you want to hide. Then, touch and hold the app that you want to hide. You can hide all the apps downloaded from the App Store. Next, tap on the Require Face ID option. After that, tap on Hide and Require Face ID. A screen will appear explaining that your app will require Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to reveal, open, or use Siri with the app. It will also show that the app will be moved to a hidden folder in the app library, and you will not receive notifications, calls, or alerts from this app. After reading all the information, tap on Hide App to continue. Now your app is hidden, so let's find your hidden app. Swipe left from the home screen until you reach the app library. Scroll down to the bottom until you find the Hidden Folder section. After that, tap on the hidden folder and use your Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode to access it. Now, tap and hold the hidden app to open its menu. Then, tap on Add to Home Screen, and after that, take on Unhide App. Congratulations! You have successfully hidden, unhidden, and found the hidden apps on your iPhone.
If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to support our growth.